Hello friends, now by me go through the tutorial below SASS. By me go open this Excel workbook where students mark start plan. SASS now below 1 grade subject. Now SASS below this SASS can use final result below 1 subject by combining below 1 plus. We'll get the shapes start below here. Science shapes, maths, business studies, English, personal development, agriculture and social science. Now SASS me come here, me click him, SASS come up. So how by me sim will get a mark start to 1 shapes or 1 subject. Now emba come lo can say master sheet lo here. In fact, this la SASS meaning student assessment summary sheet. Now me by make him side to side, so I can look him. You me go to view. Now look him view side by side. I'm now active. So in order for that icon to be active, you must go click him new window. You click new window now. Now you go back again and click him view again. Now I'm looking view side by side. I'm come up. So time me click him, this la come up. So now we go to shapes, me make him side by side so you can look him. Now you me by start 1 time number in plus matin. SASS by me not make him 1 plus change. We get a change by start plus SASS. So can you say suppose 1 plus matin come and like him max blame by change. You can just change him lo SAPS. That's all na SASS and by automatically and by updated. So you me by start 1 time number in. So now look him me like him this la number lo yellow shapes blue science grade and by coming inside lo. So by me write him equals VLOOKUP, we got 4 arguments, lookup value, table array, column index number, na range lookup, and whether true or false, this la kind. Okay, we go to first value past them. First value and lookup value. This la value you may like, you may upload by name start and connection below Andrew Ezra, value blame number 1. Number 1 I'm represent him Andrew Ezra. So I'm start below 1 MCL, I'm start below A11. So by me click him here, notice this la change and back come up low here or low formula low on top. So me click low here and come up. This la exclamation mark and representing narapla sheet all steps. Okay, after you make find him lookup value finish and by me put him comma. Okay, so by me put him comma. Now you me by go to second argument. You can look him and go to second argument. So we can click low on top low here, lookup value finish. Now table of array or table array and this la table you like find him data blame stuff. This la table you me like sim and this la table. So by me click low here, drag. Now by me not up include them all leaders. This la table come low here. So this la table of array and this la. So you can look him. Now after load this la table array and by me put him comma. Now column index. So this la table number in column number 1, name column number 2, say name column number 3 can you come go same. But low number in start low column 1, so talk of same low here talk of same column index. So you can come low here and by talk of same 1 kind column index. So column index blame number 1. So we put him 1. Okay, after load this la team comma. Now value whether true approximate value or exact match, but by me go to approximate value as well. So you just write double click him and come up and true. So now you close parenthesis. Now time you enter him number 1 come up. Number 1 represent him Andrew. You can look him. But problem one time this layer was him. Time you drag him. This la table of array and by change look him table of array and start low A11 can finish low O30 low here. But then you look him suppose me no put him dollar na me like drag him tas all low here come down on same. Look him number in him flip kind of same. 10 go up, 11 go up, I'm just mix na I'm no stop low order. That's because this la number 1 I'm stop low A11 go O30. Now number 2 ya table array blame I'm look him A12 go O31, which is not true because table of array blame I'm start low A11 go finish low O30 low. So fix him this lab, make sure that this la 811 go low 8030 and must persist. So in order low that value table will continue by me put him $sign $sign namel lo disla cell. Okay, second one $sign lo up, bami puti $sign lo here. Now bami click him enter. So now this time we go begin, me look him sign plus sign him change it, look him go to black one, me drag him again, number name come up right straight. One kind of same by me make him low name. So low short him time now by me just drag him low here, come go same. Talk not applicable. That's because can you say go low lookup value supposed to stop low A11, but look him low here lookup value go low B11, which is not true. So by me go begin low A11 instead of B11, by me put him A11. Now column me like him column number 2 below this table of array and column number 2, yeah, column number 2. So by me put him instead of column 1, by me put him column 2. Now true or get something stop default. So time me enter him, look him enter him now come up. So now me go drag down and come up. Or get a name by comparing one time this me give him some plus space click. Look him or get a name can say SASS SASS lo here. Na Morgan number 16 Morgan lo here number 16. Why this important? Because can say Andrew Ezra suppose me change him golo Jonathan, look him affect him lo SASS change golo Jonathan. So automatic. But to me undo this past them. Okay, one kind of same lo same. So same him talk C11, but lookup value below me like him this number 1. So number 1 stop lo A11, but this him talk him C11, which is not correct. So you may change him go lo A11. Na column column table array below me this no can put him headers one time headers no got. So table of array this table come go finish lo O30 me talk. So stop lo column number 3 for say name. So by me put him column 3 lo here, column 3. Now time me press him enter, Ezra come up. Now me by just go na me look him some plus sign and big flag go na go lo black flag 1. Now by me drag that's all. So we get the names and name come up. So anytime we change him kind of same instead of any rows, making any rows stop lo number 6. Yes, you plug in look him number 6 lo here. Suppose any rows me change him na put him another plan name kind of same Luke Lewis. Just an example. Now we plug look him number 6 lo here. Time me go up Luke Lewis him come up lo here number 6. But then we by me go begin lo original name below me. Now I'm below science. So you play look him 1 grade. So me extend him this last. So you play looking past them. Plem rank na percentage, grade rank percentage, match one kind, grade rank percentage, business studies, English and all one kind. But we'll take 2 examples, one from science, another one from match. I think time me go through this and by clear lo you play. All others you can fill him. Now me show grade campus. So grade stop lo this table of array this table come lo here. Now column index below grade stop lo column 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So column index 14 below grade. In order to sim grade inside lo self you go lo SASS. By me go begin the formula below me equals VLOOKUP. Me click him lo here and then talk him lookup value below me this stop lo sheet number 2 lo here. So by me go now by me click him lookup value below me, look him lo here na lo here too show him formula. So after lo this now by me put him comma next value talk table array. So by me highlight him this table of array below me highlight him finish. Okay, after lo this by me put the comma. After lo comma talk him column index number, column index or table column number 14. So by me put him 14 comma okay, value approximate value, double click him by put him close parenthesis. Now me press him enter. So now we plug in look him distinction, but problem by me still encounter him because we no put him $sign. Because this table array must stop lo A11 go lo O30. Suppose me no put him $sign, you play look him me drag down taso lo same look him to same. But in fact by look him inside lo 11 to kappa pass but look him go lo A12 now table do no stop lo A12 go finish lo O31 stop lo A11 go lo O30 lo yeah A11 can finish lo O30 but look him time you can begin lo yeah first play more right second play to push him A12 na O31 no match look him. So in order to this la value and continue, by me must put him $sign. So me put the $sign here in between the letter and the number. So $sign again. Lo here too. $sign. $sign me put him. Now time me click him enter. And now by me drag down and values and give him correct values. So by looking at some end him distinction. Annual Miriam kisim apa pass, Ben Miriam kisim credit and credit lo. Same formula now by me apply, by me just drag him lo here, go same. Now I'm not applicable because he got all false stuff. Table of array below me stop alright. A11 go finish lo O30, but rank stop lo column number. This is 14, now this is 15. So column number 15. So by me writing column 15. Na lookup value below me stop lo A11 that's this value here A11 but talk lo here B11 so me change him instead of B by me talk A. Now me click him me go mix him case I go outside na click lo up na me press him enter. Now I'm ranking come up so me just drag him down go down with him. Now I'm ranking lo or position lo 1 students out of 20 plus or get na position will come up. One kind of same percentage. Me show same lookup value below me A11 and percentage stop lo column number 13. So instead of 14 by me change him column 13. Now me click him enter. Okay, you play look him. Okay, now me drag down. Me drag him down I'm alright, but stop lo instead of percentage stop lo decimal number. Now time all stop also me highlight him tas all by me go lo this la can go lo to general by me just click him this la drop down arrow. Now by me come down lo percentage and percentage by me put him, or if not by me just click him percentage sign or give him finish. So now I'm convert go lo percentage information below and by compare him can you see I'm me choose him Morris Jordan number 17 kisim apa pass lo science and position blame number 12 na percentage blame 73. So number 17 you plug in looking Morris Jordan kisim apa pass percentage blame 73 na position blame number 12 or rank blame number 12 one kind of same. So every time you like change him, can change him values lo. So you may by make him Jordan come and back him credit kind of same or distinction. So me just change him max that's all. Instead of 18 by me to 24. Instead of 20 by me to 23. Instead of 9 by me to 23 again. Instead of 10 by me to 28. So you look him Morris now I'm kissing distinction number 17. So you can look him low 17 here Morris and distinction number 1 percentage blame and 93%. So I'm kind of same dynamic. So every change you make him low shapes and by affect him SASS low here. Now same method you use him low apply him low science subject and same method by you can apply him low maths, business studies na all not apply subjects by using VLOOKUP formula. Na table array one time lookup values tas all and by change because by stop lo not apply table na kano same platinum one time this la no can listen to subscribe lo comment videos because by me put in tutorial below by that can come up in students reports.